What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be looking at the differences between a flooded lead acid battery and lithium battery. You must have known what battery is, but for the benefit of doubt, battery is an energy storage device that stores excess electricity generated from the solar panel or from the grid. Then let's get to the differences between a flooded lead acid battery and a lithium battery. Number one is battery maintenance. For flooded lead acid battery, it requires maintenance like equalization, topping up with distilled water when the liquid level in the battery goes down, and also cleaning the terminals of the batteries when acid settles on it, and greasing the terminals with petroleum jelly for more conductivity. But for lithium batteries, it is 100% maintenance free. It has inbuilt BMS, battery management system, that regulates the charging and the discharging of the batteries. Number two is lifespan. Flooded lead acid battery has between 1000 to 3000 charge cycle, with estimated lifespan between 3 to 8 years. But for lithium batteries, they have between 3000 to more than 6000 charge cycle, with estimated lifespan of 10 to 20 years. Number three is depth of discharge. The recommended depth of discharge for a flooded lead acid battery is 50% depth of discharge to avoid shortening the lifespan of the battery. But for lithium batteries, it has between 80 to 100% depth of discharge without serious degradation in the batteries. Number four is efficiency. Flooded lead acid battery has between 70 to 85% round trip efficiency. Round trip efficiency measures how efficiently your battery can charge and discharge without energy loss. But for lithium batteries, they have between 95% to 98% round trip efficiency, which means that there is less energy loss in charging and discharging of the batteries. Number five is charging speed. Flooded lead acid battery has slower charging speed due to their high internal resistance, and also flooded lead acid battery goes through the four charge cycle of a battery, which is bulk charge, absorption charge, float charge, and equalization. But absorption charge and float charge takes a longer time to reach. But for lithium batteries, they charge faster due to their low internal resistance, and also they undergo only two charge cycles of a battery, which is bulk charge and float charge. And lithium batteries can withstand high charging and discharge rates with high efficiency. Number six is weight and size. For flooded lead acid batteries, they are heavier and bulkier. Therefore, if space is not an issue in your solar installation, you can go with flooded lead acid batteries. But for lithium batteries, they are lightweight and compact. Therefore, if you are space constrained and you don't have enough space to install your batteries, lithium batteries can be a very good choice for you. Number seven is safety. Flooded lead acid batteries emit hydrogen gas while charging. Therefore, your flooded lead acid battery should not be installed in a habitable room or in an enclosed space. You should have a proper ventilation for the hydrogen gas to escape to the outside world. But for lithium batteries, they don't emit any harmful gas to the atmosphere. They are safer when installed properly and are more chemically stable, most especially lithium iron phosphate batteries. Number eight is cost. For flooded lead acid batteries, they are cheaper upfront. Therefore, if you are a budget conscious buyer, flooded lead acid battery can be a very good choice for you. But for lithium batteries, they are expensive upfront but have lower long-term cost due to their longer lifespan and high efficiency. Number nine is standby mode. Leaving your flooded lead acid battery in standby mode for a longer period of time will degrade your battery faster. Let's say, for example, that you went for vacation, that you will spend like 3 months or 6 months, and you are not charging your flooded lead acid battery while away. Your flooded lead acid battery will begin to sulfate and will shorten the lifespan of your flooded lead acid batteries. But for lithium batteries, even if you don't charge it for 3 months or 6 months, it will not shorten the lifespan. Lithium batteries doesn't degrade by how long you leave them without charging. They degrade by charge cycle. Therefore, if you leave your lithium battery for a longer time without charging, it won't have any negative effect on your batteries. Number 10 is charge cycle. For flooded lead acid battery, it undergoes the 4 charge cycle of a battery, which are bulk charge, absorption charge, float charge, and equalization. But for lithium batteries, it only undergoes 2 charge cycle of a battery, which is bulk charge and float charge. If you find value in this video, do well to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification button so you'll be notified when I release videos like this. See you in the next video.